QMCO stock analysis for Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying is the question, and I'm covering all that in this very brief and short 1-minute video. As the guy with the most videos ever documented with 40,000, I have seen what's making me money and what's not. It has taken me 5 years, so it has taken me quite a lot, you know, like there's no such thing as like get rich overnight success, man. Nah. Honestly, like the only thing that I'm still expecting to do was previously like doubling down on that long side, but ironically I never got my rules met, which is nothing ironic, you know, it's just part of the game. And all I can tell you from here on is that kind of hovered around the supply zone, but the only time where this actually will make me be like bullish, okay, it's going to be if there's a full candle close about 15-20, and we're not currently there. So this is ultimately how QMCO is looking like. So let me know what is your opinion on QMCO. I'm waiting for a confirmation. And if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month without indicators, then just click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll continue to keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy.